fellow learners, welcome to our home science class, that is grade 5. We are going to discuss about food preservation, types of food that are normally preserved and their importances and the ways of preserving them. First, food preservation is just a process by which food items are prevented from getting spoiled for a short or a long period of time. It is also preserved in order to retain its color, taste, and its nutritive value. To preserve is simply to retain the food nutrient or the quality, or to avoid decomposition or fermentation. That is what we mean by the term preserve. So the types of foods that we can preserve at home or in any other place, we have cereals and pulses, where cereals are grains which are normally used for food at home or in any other institution. Examples of cereals which we can preserve includes maize, rice, millet, sorghum, wheat, and barley. So pulses are also known as legumes. These pulses of the legumes normally grows in ponds. Examples of pulses or legumes include beans, peas, green grams, and peanuts. Those are some of the types of cereals and pulses that we can preserve in different ways. These cereals and pulses normally contain or have different nutrients, or they normally add different values to our bodies. For example, the cereals are the main sources of carbohydrates or energy-giving food, while the pulses or the legumes are the main sources of proteins. Proteins are also known as body-building foods. So those are some of the types of foods that we can preserve. So when we come to the importance of preserving the cereals and pulses, we normally preserve them in order to prevent them from getting spoiled or becoming bad. Second one, we normally preserve them in order to keep them for future use. We also preserve them to maintain their nutritive value, the color, the taste, or to make it not to decompose or to ferment. The last one, we also preserve them to avoid wastage and use them for future. So those are some of the importance that we normally preserve when keeping different foods at home. So next time, during our next lesson, we shall talk about different ways of preserving cereals and pulses, and that marks the end of our lesson. Thank you.